So welcome back guys. Now we'll be applying the same conditions. We'll be applying it for the long day plants. Okay. So in the case of long day plants, let us take the first condition. Okay. Let us take the first condition. A long duration of night was interrupted by red light. Okay, when it is interrupted by red light, I've already told you when there is red light interruption, okay, PFR form will get accumulated. Correct or no? PR form will get converted into the PFR form. Yes. So when PR form is getting converted into the PFR form, and PFR form will induce flowering in the case of long day plants. So if this is a long day plant, okay, so what happens here? Flowering is induced. What is induced, guys? Flowering is induced. Okay, flowering is induced. Now see here in this condition. So when a flash of red light is given, then what is going to happen here? Okay, the long duration of night is interrupted with a flash of red light. Yeah, for long day plants it's actually good when a flash of red light is given. Why? Because when a flash of red light is given, the PR form gets converted into the PFR form. Okay, so PFR form can induce flowering in long day plants, but PFR, the far red light is given here. When far red light is after the red light, far red light is given. When far red light is given, again this PFR form will get converted into the PR form. So if PR form is there, will it induce flowering? No. So here what is absent? Flowering is absent. Okay. Now let us come to the next condition. The next condition is flash of red light is given. Very good. So when flash of red light is given, what is going to happen? PR form gets converted into the PFR form, and PFR form can induce flowering. When PFR, again a flash of far red light is given, then again this PFR form will get converted into the PR form, and PR form doesn't induce flowering in the which kind of plants? In the PR form doesn't induce flowering in the long day plants. It induces flowering in the short day plants. Now again what is given? A flash of red light is given. Now when a flash of red light is given, the PR form will again get converted into the PFR form, and PFR form is going to induce flowering. So here also what is going to form? Flowers are formed. Okay. What are formed, guys? Flowers are formed. Flowers are formed. Next condition. So that's what you observe. One thing here, one important thing is the last exposure is the important exposure. As I've told in the previous video also, what exposure is the last, that plays the key role here. The nature of the light to which plants are exposed at last time shows the maximum response. Okay, so that is the statement that I've told in the last one. If red and far red lights are given successively, the last light treatment, whatever last light treatment is given, that shows the flowering response in the plants. Now you see here red light, red light, and far red light. Okay, so when far red light is given, which form will get converted into which form? In the presence of far red light, okay, which form will get converted into which form? I've already told you this. Far red light will convert PFR form to PR form. So when PR form is there, what is going to happen? It will not induce flowering in the long day plants, it will induce flowering in the short day plants. Correct? So in the case of long day plants, flowering does not happen, or no flowering in the long day plants. Okay, long day plants are also called as short night plants. Long day plants are also called as short night plants. So there is no flowering in the short night plants. Okay, so in the first case there is flowering because red light. Second condition, there is no flowering because the last exposure was far red light. Third case, again the last exposure was red light, so there's flowering. And in the final case, this is the condition. Okay, so there's no flowering here because here the last exposure was far red, and far red is going to convert the PFR form to the PR form. Okay, so thank you very much. Practice these questions. For these questions, the best practice book I would suggest you for practicing these questions is there's a book called NCERT Booster by Balaji Publications. Okay, so in that Balaji Publications there are some questions, practice questions, which are based on these concepts. Okay, you can go through that book and you can solve the questions. Okay, and if there are any doubts, you can post it in the comment box, and I will definitely answer the questions. Thank you.